The DJI Mini 3 Pro Baller Edition with controller has been leaked on a UK website. Let's discuss. So the Baller Edition Mini 3 with that controller, the luxury version, has now been leaked onto a UK retailer, Argos. This retailer has been around for a number of years now, so this only means one thing: this is coming really soon. Guaranteed, the Mini 3 Pro is going to be released. We can also see that new controller basically looks like the RC Pro in grey. Is it going to have the same nits value? Well, we're not sure yet, but one thing, it looked fantastic. We now can see these images straight from DJI, so nothing to dispute this at all. We've also got now a backup confirmed from this well-renowned retailer about the spec. We can see the spec on the website as well, which is going to confirm a few key points. It is going to have a 1/1.3 inch sensor. It's going to be 249 grams with those safety sensors as well. With that higher dynamic range, it's everything we've said over the last few weeks. The quality of this drone looks like to be fantastic. Also, the sensors we've said about, it's going to have position sensors. It confirms it again here: front, back, and downwards vision sensors, a new complete redesign, enhanced safety features, and then that HDR footage as well. But also that 1.13 inch sensor is going to be fantastic in low light. And then we can just see it here. It doesn't look ugly anymore, does it? Them first pictures we got were like, what is that? Look at it now. So 4K 60, 48 megapixel raw photos. And then you're going to have 120 FPS in 1080p for that slow motion video. Also confirmed this vertical video, so it rotates 90 degrees. So you're going to have what they call true vertical shooting. So that's going to be fantastic if you like doing TikToks and Reels. Maximum speed is 16 meters per second, a maximum height of 4,000 meters. And then the charging as well, around about an hour's charge for 34 minutes of flight time, 48 megapixel and that 4K. It's basically spec there confirming that. So, I mean, the charging time looks great as well. For basically everything we've said in the last few weeks, whether it was like, oh, is this true? Is it not? Are these just rumors? It's pretty much now just nailed true that this is coming. If you've not sold your Mini 2 and you want to buy this, now is a great time to do so. We can see the kits that you're going to get with this with Baller Edition. So you're going to have one battery, the drone, the controller, some extra propellers, the gimbal guard. So what do we think? Is this now going to confirm with this price of £859 in the UK for the top tier Baller Edition with the controller? I mean, this looks like to be the luxury package, doesn't it? It's more expensive than your Mini 2 for sure, but you're getting this controller with it. The controller, the screen looks to be identical size to the RC Pro. We can see if we just zoom in here, there seems to be a flap there. That's probably going to hold the joysticks, and then the charging port to the right hand side. So no HDMI it looks like, but if that's going to be the only difference between this and the RC Pro, I think a lot of people will be more than happy with this. May 10th is still the rumoured date. This is going to be officially announced and released, ready to buy. It is over a week though that this has now been put onto Argos, so it is bizarre that it's been done so early. But just look at this now with those huge position sensors at the front and down, that complete rotation of that camera. It looks like this is going to tick a lot of boxes for people. And I would say it is expensive, but if you want the all-in-one package, the RC Pro, I love it. It's a fantastic experience not having your phone with you. If you was to move up and get this package for $859 in the UK, then I think people are going to love this. Also is the Fly More kit we can see for £159 in the UK. We can see this, and if we just look at some of the pictures, it's going to show you that you get two batteries, the propellers, the bag. Who uses that bag, by the way? The cable and the charging brick. If we just look at some of the individual photos, I mean, I'll give it credit. The bag's good. It's a good quality bag. I don't see a lot of people using it, but it's good that they still include it though. That's good to see. You can put it all in together. You can see you get some extra propellers here, which definitely on these drones we need. It's always good to have. The two batteries you can see look completely different to the Mini 2 batteries, so I don't think the Mini 2 batteries will work on the Mini 3 at all. That's a regular question. And then this really big charging brick, it looks like to be a monster, this charging brick. But overall, you know, I'm super excited for this drone. Me personally, I want to get this package, the Baller Edition. Can't wait to review it and let you guys know which is the best one to get. But now we've seen these actual proper images, proper specs confirmed, what are you going to get? Let me know in the comments down below. See you all soon, guys. Bye bye.